Well, hey there. It has been a while since you've seen me on this food trailer, and a lot has changed since you've done this. Want to give you quick updates. I think we're ready for health department inspections. We've been working hard. We've been getting this thing cleaned up, did some updating. We had not a lot of issues, but we had a few issues with the plumbing. Pretty much redid all of that. I'll show you a couple clips of that here and there. But hey, let's just go ahead and show you what we got. Let's start off with the lighting. As you can see, it's a lot more lighting. If you go back and look at the video, and I'll link it in the description and probably put a card right up here. But when I first got it and did the first look at the food trailer, you can see the lights that were on it. And that's really the only original light left on this trailer. Me and my wife have installed all these lights. And it's a lot brighter in here. Of course, it is daytime outside right now, but this lighting has really made a big difference. And that is one thing that was really needed updating on this food trailer. The lighting was, I only had two 4-foot little lights in here, and that was it. It was really dim in here at night. And so yeah, this is a really needed upgrade. Now, if you've seen the past videos, you know, where we cleaned the hood and re-seasoned the griddle and got it all cleaned up. Cleaned this nasty fryer, got new fryer baskets. Don't know if I ever showed this or not. It's been a while since I made a video, but I got all new tables and not tables, but pans for the steam table here. We actually have some extras over here in this warming cabinet, as you can see. Extra pots and pans or whatever we might need. Refrigerator. Got it cleaned up. We've got a couple extra pans in there. Freezer. Well, it's just a freezer. Let's see here. The salad prep station. We had some issues with it. The thermometer, or the thermostat went out in it, and it wasn't working anymore. My good friend, the Retro Ben, come over, ordered a part for us, got it back working. And let's see, get it open here. We got it all cleaned up down in there now. Of course, you see we got our extra trays there. Got some trays in here, so we're good to go on that. The service windows, looking good there. Got them cleaned up. Our counter, we got a square point of sale system. Now let's get to the sink real quick. This is a change here that I've not showed yet. We installed a new faucet on this sink because what had happened is the plumbing on the old faucet behind the sink actually busted in some cold weather. So we had to pull the whole sink off this wall here anyhow and redo the plumbing to fix that. So we figured might as well go ahead and get us a new faucet that we want. And this sprayer right here, y'all, we are loving this sprayer right here. A lot better than what we had. But speaking of the plumbing, we went ahead and redid all of it while we're at it. And of course, it's just the PEX, but let's see if I can find a place to show you a good place here. Yeah, we'll go over here. We added cutoff valves to every sink, with every fixture. Of course, this is the hand washing sink here, and we also have cutoff valves under here. There they are, going to this. In case we ever spring a leak somewhere or whatever, one of the pipes go bad, I can actually turn that off and not have to shut down the whole truck immediately and not flood the whole truck. So that was an upgrade we feel like we needed. I don't know if it's necessary for health inspection reasons, but we needed it. Let's see, but anyhow, we got it all cleaned up in here and looking really, really good. So not a whole lot new to show you in here other than the lights, and we redid the plumbing, and it's a lot cleaner. But let's go outside and check out these logos. And there is the logo. I guess you call this the front of the trailer. This is the part where you pull it, you know, with the truck here, where the generator's at. So we have a logo there. And if you come around to the serving side here, you see we have another logo, and a lot better on this side. And there's our logo. Of course, we have our phone number down here on the right. But I love how, you know, we got the floodlights here. Big logo. I love how that logo pops. The place that actually installed the logo designed that for me. I think they did a really, really good job. I mean, the way that yellow pops against that blue, and then you got the teal, and you got this black, I think they did an amazing, amazing job. Signs by Chris out of Greenwood, South Carolina, is the one that designed and installed this graphics on this trailer. And you come around here to the back and there's another logo, addresses. And on the opposite side, the back side of the trailer, I guess you call it the sides, I don't know what you call this. It's where the employee entrance is right here. There's another huge logo. So we have logos on all four sides of this trailer and with the phone numbers, and we're setting up Facebook and Instagram accounts to help follow this food trailer. So the Facebook page is already up, but there's nothing on it. But it is there, and I will link that down below also. I'm working on the Instagram and the TikTok accounts for this. And so we got a lot of content coming out just for this food trailer. But that's really about it as far as this food trailer goes. Not a whole lot to update. Got to do health department inspections, and I will keep you posted about that. And thank you for everybody who's showing interest and wanting to follow along on this journey, because I'm going to tell you, it has been a journey. But, I mean, look how much better this looks, y'all. So much better, so much cleaner, and hey, won't be long, we'll be slinging some burgers. And I do have to say, again, I say it a lot, thank you, Mr. Beast and Shopify. You have been a huge, huge help in making and helping this dream come true. And we're just about ready to sling y'all some burgers too. But I need to get off here, go ahead and tidy up a few more things, do a couple little things more. And I appreciate you watching. Hit that thumbs up, share this out, do everything. Be sure you're following along because a lot of great stuff fixing to happen with this thing. Thank you.